Watch as we take this 1988 OBS step-side Chevy from this to this. But this isn't just any truck. This truck's been in my family for 38 years. My grandpa, you can see him here as an old picture. He bought this truck brand new in the end of 1987. He drove it for years. Here it is parked in front of his shop. Sometime in the 2000s, we got him a newer F-150, so I passed it to my uncle, who drove it for a while, then passed it to one of my cousins, and then it just kind of sat, and that brought us to present day. It started out as just supposed to be being a quick clean-up paint job, but as things go, we got a little more carried away. We decided, let's pull the doors off, let's jam it, let's paint under the hood. If we're already here, we might as well. And then escalated, didn't go too crazy, but that's what you see going on here. My uncle put wheels on it, but I always wanted to lower it, so I finally had the chance. We threw a flip kit, a baby notch. I didn't film any of it, but that's what we did. If you're swapping from the older style headlights to updated ones like we're doing, you gotta put some pigtail connectors, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, we put drop spindles on it, cut the springs, but the spindles I got, I didn't know there was a split year, so I had to change the rotors and the calipers and a whole bunch of stuff. But so if you got an 88 to 93, you have 1-inch rotors, not 1.25 inches. Buy the right spindles, don't do what I did. But we got it sitting here. I think it's a little too low. I know it's crazy to say that. It's not too low for me, but my uncle's got to daily drive this thing, and it's too close to rubbing. So I think I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. I ordered some drop coils, so we'll see where that puts us. I also put smaller tires on the front because it has staggered wheels, but it had the same size tires. So I got some 245/40s on here, which it's definitely brought the tire in, got me a little more clearance, but still not quite enough. So we just got a couple more things to do, and this thing is hitting the streets. All right, we got the front end on with the updated grill. Had to change some things down there. Got the bumper on. We cut the springs, it was too low, so I ended up ordering some drop springs and kind of got it up so it'll be good enough for him to daily drive this thing. Oh man, it's coming out pretty good. There it is. We got it pretty much done. I ordered some light window film to smoke those out a little bit. But other than that, we got it done. I think it turned out pretty good. I was a little selfish and I had to cruise it home one day before I gave it back. It was a good thing I did. Found some overheating issues, so just had to throw a thermostat and some other small stuff, but we got it dialed in. I just did a light window tint, 50% on the sides and 35 on the back, just trying to give it a smoked look, not trying to look tinted, you know, like blacked out, but just trying to make it look a little better. So I think it's time to give this sucker back. All right, we're pulling up to Craigos' house. I'm gonna see if he's home, and I'm gonna give him his new, old, same truck back, but with a fresh look. So I'm ready for this. Hope he's pumped up. He's already seen it a little bit, so it's not like a huge surprise, but he hasn't seen it all lowered, washed, and cruising. So let's see. What do you think? What do you think?
Beautiful, huh?
Looks pretty good, huh?
How'd it run coming down here? Did it run cool?
Yeah, it's a little warm, but it cools off when I get moving, so could be the fan. See your windows?
Yeah.
I just put a little tint, just a little bit. I think it looks better. I drove it and the sun was beating on my neck, so.
Wheels rubbing on this side.
We trimmed it. It'll self clearance. All right, Craig, go stand by it so I can take a picture. Give me a thumbs up or something.
There you go.
All right, give me a thumbs up.
Ruin your moment.
We do good?
Did good, huh?
All right. He was a little shy on camera. I didn't really want to, you know, push him too hard, but he definitely likes it. He loves it. He's pretty thankful. So that's pretty cool. Love doing something. Love doing stuff for people, especially my uncle. You know, he's loved that truck forever, so it's cool to see him cruising it again. So I told him all he's got to do now is go cruising. But that's it on this one. See you guys later.